So I'm Sam, I'm from Loughborough, part of the Loughborough University Motorsports Formula Student team. We design and build a race car every year, and we're electric this year with our second battery pack, and we're here today at Powdertech getting some of our parts coated. So we've come to Powdertech today because they're specialists in the area, and we're aiming for a dielectric finish on here with a minimum requirement of 1000 volts, as that's the highest voltage that is required by rules. We always aim to win. There's no point doing it if you don't try and win.
So with this project, we were looking to apply a dielectric coating onto the tray to prevent arcing of the cells that sit into each of the cavities that we see. So we had some relatively straightforward masking requirements around the part. There was quite a tight fit tolerance, so we had to control the thickness of the coating. We had to apply enough coating to provide the insulation properties, bearing in mind the dielectric strength of the material, but obviously we've got to get those cells to fit neatly, a nice even finish on the back so that that can sit flat on the plate. So we had to orientate the part in a particular way so that we don't get uneven coating inside each of the cell cavities. The first requirement really was all about fit. So we use eddy current gauges on the flat surfaces to look at the coating thickness, and that's really to make sure we've hit the minimum threshold for the dielectric properties. Verniers on the side, just so that we can get into that curved face and make sure that we've still got enough room for the cells so we haven't over-coated and reduced that tolerance gap. And then really it's all about the electrical properties. So we do a quick defect sweep using holiday testing, followed by a withstand voltage test using our high pot equipment to make sure that we're meeting the requirement, in this particular case, a 1 kilovolt dielectric breakdown strength. Yeah, I think it's been a really good day with the students from Loughborough University. I think we always like to work with the universities, like to encourage the next generation and really explain what we do in a production process and how we get the results, how we do the testing, how we apply the product. I think it's really useful to get that link between academia and industry, just so that, you know, they go away with a little bit more knowledge than they came with, and, you know, we learn as well. It's always good to be talking, you know, to people with a fresh set of eyes on things that you do. You get lots of interesting questions, it kind of tests your knowledge. So I think overall, we're very happy with how it went, and I think the students were very happy with the result.